Hey everyone! Welcome back to Fatima Art and Craft YouTube channel. If you are watching this, you've probably decided that 2026 is the year you finally start creating art. Maybe you've never touched a paintbrush in your life, or maybe you're a digital creator looking to pick up a fresh medium this year. Well, you are in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down everything you need to know to plan, create, and finish your very first major art project from scratch. We are keeping it simple, modern, and completely stress-free. So grab your tools, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. Before we put a single line on the canvas, we need to talk about your medium. In 2026, the lines between traditional and digital art have never been more blurred, and that gives you a lot of freedom. If you love the physical feel of materials, traditional sketching pencils, acrylics, or watercolors are timeless. But if you want flexibility, digital art software like Procreate, Canva, or Blender for 3D modeling are massive game changers for beginners. Here is my golden rule for choosing. Pick the tool that excites you the most. If opening a digital app makes you want to create, go digital. If the smell of paper and paint makes you happy, stick to traditional. Don't worry about having the most expensive gear. A simple sketchbook and a pen are more than enough to start. Now that you have your tools, step 2 is finding your concept. A lot of beginners get stuck here because they try to create a masterpiece on their very first try. Let's avoid that trap completely. Instead, we are going to build a mood board. Spend about 15 to 20 minutes gathering images, colors, and textures that inspire you. Are you leaning towards minimalist line art, vibrant abstract paintings, or maybe cute 3D characters? Once you have your references, sketch out 3 very rough, tiny thumbnail ideas in your notebook. Don't worry about details, just figure out where the main elements of your artwork are going to live. This simple roadmap will save you from staring at a blank page panicking later on. All right, this is where the magic happens. Let's walk through the actual creation phase. I'm going to break this down into 3 core steps. Step 1, the rough block in. Lightly sketch your main shapes. Keep your hand loose. If you are doing digital art, use a separate layer for your roughs so you can erase easily without ruining anything. Step 2, refining and line work. Once you are happy with the layout, clean up your lines or build up your primary base colors. Take your time here. Remember, art is a process, not a race. Pause the video right now if you need to catch up on your own piece. Step 3, details and highlights. This is where your art comes to life. Add shadows for depth and highlights to make certain elements pop. For 2026, experimental lighting and rich textures are super trendy, so don't be afraid to play around with unique color palettes. Before we wrap up, I want to warn you about 2 major traps that beginners fall into. First, perfectionism. You're going to reach a point in your project where you think, oh no, this looks terrible. Every single artist goes through that awkward middle phase. Push past it. Second, overworking the piece. Sometimes, knowing when to stop is the hardest skill to learn. Don't keep adding details until the art looks muddy. Leave some breathing room. Often, simplicity is what makes an artwork truly striking. And there you have it, your complete roadmap to creating your first art project in 2026. I truly hope this video inspired you to pick up your tools and create something unique. If you decide to try this out, I want to see your work. Snap a photo or share a link in the comments below, or tag me on my social media handles. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more creative guides, and I will catch you in the next one. Happy creating, everyone!